Good morning to everyone. Welcome to the morning chit chat. It has been 40 days now that we are on this wonderful journey. कैसा लग रहा है? Share your experience. अच्छा लग रहा है? When we set up our morning right? Yes? अच्छा लग रहा है, right? Because ये जो routine हमारी है, this routine actually helps us build our confidence, and that sets our day right, and that is more important than anything else. A small way of telling yourself, yes, I can do it. Is that not so? Just imagine, for so many number of years, when you were going to school, माँ को ऐसे उठाना पड़ता था, अरे उठो स्कूल का टाइम हो गया है, फिर that rush was there. सुबह का 7:30 बजे का स्कूल के लिए. Okay, never ever we used to get up on time. Never ever we used to, be enthused to go to the school. But then at a particular stretch of time, you started loving going to school or in college. Yeah, चलो जाते हैं, मजा करते हैं. Now, after few years, what happened was the office routine started. And when the office routine started, we started giving excuses for this early mornings. अरे यार ऑफिस में बहुत काम है, बहुत थक गया हूं, ये सब फालतूगिरी है, सुबह को नहीं उठने का है जल्दी. And that routine of yours became an habit. Now imagine you were not able to give yourself the time which was actually needed. But since the last 40 days, when you joined my journey, are you not getting that extra time for yourself, for your meditation, reading good books, avoiding the newspaper, avoiding your mobile phones? Now that is now creating a habit, which is fantastic. Yes or no? Just imagine getting up early morning is giving you so much in life, which we were actually missing out. And just imagine how much do we miss in our life? How much do we miss? You can't imagine how much time we spend on sleeping. And then we cry that I do not have time. Every one of us at a certain point of life was so much involved into so many different things. We had lots and lots of excuse that time nahi hai, time nahi hai, time nahi hai, time nahi hai. But you had time to watch movies, you had time to go out, everything which was outside. Okay, you were seeking pleasure outside, but not even thinking that the pleasure is inside. Now you were seeking confidence, you were looking for outside confidence. When a small routine which you started to get up early morning 6 o'clock. Now few of you have been in this journeys from the day one. Now that has built confidence that yes, I can do this. It is possible. That is my mantra. It is possible for a human being to do what he wants to do. Right? It takes extra effort. That is for sure. It takes extra energy. That is for sure. It takes to do things which you do not like. ऐसी सब चीज करनी पड़ती है जो हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता है, वो सब कुछ पाने के लिए जो हमें चाहिए. Please remember this. Whatever things which you do not like, everything has to be done. Now, if you want to build a strong body, उसके लिए एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ेगी कि नहीं करनी पड़ेगी, उसके लिए थोड़ा पेन लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा, लगेगा. पेन होगा जब ये हम लोग एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. When you walk, it will be painful initially because the body is not ready. That pain will be there initially, but imagine how much advantage of keeping a strong body, good body, fit body. Okay, that makes hell of a lot of difference. तो आपको वो सब चीज करनी पड़ेगी जो आप लोग को अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So make a list today. Just make a list today of what you don't like. Okay. And on the right hand side, once you make the list, jitna means you take 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour to just make a list of what you don't like. मेरे को ये खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, मेरे को ये करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I don't want to be smart looking, good looking personality. Okay. जो जो चीज आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना, because you don't like to do your exercise, वो लिखो वहां पे. Okay. We write so many things we want, everything you want. Yes, whatever you want. And just next to that, now think, ये सब चीज करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Of course, you will have to do your exercise. Morning exercise करना पड़ेगा. तभी जाके आपकी बॉडी की अंदर स्ट्रेंथ होगी, that power आएगा to do your work efficiently. I remember whenever I am on my keyboard, okay, and since I was doing a 3-minute chart in Bank Nifty, it is in fact a very fast movement. Your eye coordination and your hand coordination should be there, instantaneously. So you entry and exit is really very, very important. Okay. Now imagine if my hands are trembling, what happens? Will I be able to do my work efficiently? No, right? So if I am having a strong body, my hands will not tremble. Okay, forget about hands trembling. Most of you are young, तो वो हैंड तो ट्रेम्बल नहीं होगा, लेकिन माइंड तो ट्रेम्बल होगा कि नहीं होगा. Okay, so coordination between your mind and your body needs to be there. It needs to be working in tandem. So that is why that meditation, 10 minute wala, it is difficult. Believe me, it is difficult. Lekin when you close your eyes and then when you will concentrate, okay, it first to 30 seconds, may your mind will be a monkey mind going away here and there. 30 seconds. So just imagine that one initial you have this ability. We have our culture where it is written that a person can go from one to another, or from, it's a telepathy wala thing, one can even read somebody else's mind. So that was that power which was there initially. That power is now gone. It has come to the mobile. Okay, now when the mobile thing came into picture, we lost our ability to remember the numbers. Why? Because we got into that habit of why should I remember when it is on the phone. So अपना जो mind का जो power है, indirectly or directly, are we not losing it? How many of you will know the phone numbers of 10 people? Only 10. Think about it. 10 जन का टेलीफोन नंबर याद है आपको? And you will find के मुश्किल से 3 जन का याद है. And why it is happening is because we are giving control of each and everything to the outside world and not having control with ourselves. That is our problem right now. The problem is we don't have any control within ourselves. Why is that so? It is because we are into that habit कि सामने वाला जो बोलेगा, whatever the media tells you, and that is why I have been telling from the day one, stop reading the newspaper early morning. In fact, I have to stopped it since the last 3 years. Totally बंद कर दिया मैंने न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने का. कभी कभी कभार मूड आया and I will read it. Read an economics time in case you want to read. Otherwise, not required at all. Not required at all. Why should you get yourself into that early morning negative news? So what is happening is when you are reading that, okay, is the media not controlling you? Why are you afraid of this coronavirus? Why is everyone so afraid of this? Because of the media hype. Now, please understand, when there is a war, okay, do all the soldiers die? Think about it. When there is a war, do all the soldiers die? If not, when the bullets are going past them, okay, but it is not piercing the heart. Till the time it is not hitting the head, it is not piercing the heart, the soldier survives. How is this possible? It's a war. 1 minute में 60 bullets are flying, but he still survives. Why? That means the the destiny plays a role. Okay, you are keeping yourself, if you are keeping yourself fit, okay, you are taking care of yourself, your family members, so corona is not going to enter your house. And even if he enters the house, okay, you have your ability, you have that strength to fight. Yes or no? Think about it. आपके पास वो स्ट्रेंथ है कि नहीं उनको फाइट करने के लिए? So technically, the enemy is not outside, the enemy is within you. When we lose our faith, that is when things go wrong. When you stop believing yourself, that is when the things goes wrong. And that is what is actually happening. ये डर के वजह से people are dying. Okay, imagine a person meeting with an accident and breaking more than 25 bones all over. Okay, there has been a story around. Now that person undergoes more than 15 operation and he survives the accident. Now he is being told that he is not going to walk. ever. But that person has faith in himself, and he starts to visualize that he is going to walk out of the hospital door. And then the process of healing starts. He undergoes the physio and the pain. Please understand the pain of 15 bones being broken and then taking time to heal. But he keeps his faith alive. He visualizes that I am going to walk out of this hospital, and he does this. Now, what is the difference? A, the faith that I am going to get healed and I am going to walk out of hospital. That is the power you all have. We all have this particular power. But what we are doing is we always want validation from the outsiders. We want this validation. सामने वाला बोलना चाहिए कि यार तुम बेकार हो, and you will technically believe कि you are बेकार. Now, why should you believe the other person कि तुम बेकार हो? Why can't you say, boss, I am what I am and I am good? See, please understand, I failed in 7th standard, okay, because of my lack of Hindi Marathi language ka problem ke wajah se I failed, and I had to repeat the 7th standard. Then I failed my FY BSc also because I was not into that study mode, and I did very badly in the exams and I failed. Now, whose mistake was this? It was my mistake, right? My not doing the homework, not doing the lesson which I had to do at that particular given time, I failed. So now please understand that failure, is it on my forehead? It is, thappa lag gaya hai kya? No, because that failure taught me something. Okay, it is okay to fail. Please understand, it is okay to fail, but you can still go ahead and do something good in life. Okay, किसी को थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है, कोई हमारे से आगे चले जाता है, which is perfectly all right. Okay, because a seed, when you put in the soil, okay, one will grow faster, the other will grow at his own pace. So why do you compare yourself with somebody else? Why should you? So please have faith in you. And this morning routines is the one which will help you, okay, build up your confidence. It will give you that extra energy. Okay, yes, I can do it. It is as simple as that. अभी आपने एक्सरसाइज करना शुरू किया, okay, will you be able to do the skipping also? 10 skipping, 15 skipping, okay, this is what happens, right or not? Because you have never done. So it is okay, start with 2, start with 3, start with 5, but do start and see, slowly and steadily you keep on improving yourself, and that is what actually is going to help you. Now people tell me in terms of stock market, यार तुम तो बहुत अच्छा ये करते हो. It is nothing to do with मैं कहाँ पे हूँ or somebody is somewhere else. This is a journey. Please understand this. This is a marathon. It is not a 100-meter or It is not 2 minutes ka noodle wala thing. Now we are tuned because of the media. We are tuned 2 minute में noodles and खा सकते हो. Okay, please understand, life is a journey.
Life is a journey.
Okay, and this is important, that everybody has got the power to move ahead. So why not move ahead? So I leave you with this particular thought process. Okay, yes, you can do it if you have it in your mind, and you will have to do things which you don't like. वो सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा आपको जो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Make a list today. Make a list and see. You need to, tick mark everything you don't like and see the difference in yourself, in your lifestyle, in whatever you want in your life. Everything is possible. So have faith in yourself, not the outside world, and you will be able to make it right. I thank you all for joining me on this wonderful morning. Satish ji is there, Dr. Vardhan is there, Kunal, Nitin, Varun, Vinod ji is also there. Love you all for being over here early morning, because I know for sure you have the power in you to change your own destination. Yes, you have the power. ऊपर जाने का time you don't know. So why die on a daily basis? Why not use this wonderful time what we have received and do something great? Have faith in you and do something great today. Love you all. Take care and take care of your family. This is Mayur Sampath signing off. See you tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Bye-bye. Take care.